I might pull up with your boo. Go ahead and 5-star restaurant, order man, or some food. No matter how thick the bitch is, I won't put it before my loot. I'm fresh as fuck, fresh off high speed chase like polo pool. You will never catch me telling another nigga what I won't do. I be DMing bitches too. I be liking.
Yo, what the fuck is the deal, man? It's your boy SixTwo Tokyo back with another video. Now, right now, you know where we going. We heading to fucking Woody. Where else I'd be going at night? You know? I mean, besides Mexico shit. Man, let me tell you niggas, bro. I have been straight up bullshitting. If you don't shut the fuck up, I have been straight up bullshitting with this car, bro. You know, with this content I've been making, I have not been uploading. I have not been recording shit. Hell, I've barely been out. I work a lot as it is. And I don't have time to really be sitting here, you know, editing shit because I work so damn late. I don't have a set time I need to get off. I don't really have time to edit videos, take time. I don't have the motivation to do this shit. But man, let me tell y'all, bro, I'm gonna have some content for y'all, man. I'm gonna start actually trying to do some shit. I got like 3 videos I'm editing currently. So I got one video with cars and coffee, another video me going to Woody, that's probably this video, but then, you know, the UCM video. I have a couple videos in to drop. Man, I just need my ass kicked, I ain't gonna lie to you. Hello, Gab in the building. Shit, hey, get your phone, motherfucker. Damn. I mean, I'm welcome to. Put a whole fireball that nigga chin. Burn his fumes off. Hey, that's some footage.
Yeah. I don't know. Post that shit through there. I'm added
Damn.
that shit.
All right, we get it. You vape. Hey, say your slogan. You like that?
It didn't get to warm up all the way. It's cold out here, bro. My engine out, so it was like halfway warmed up, but that's whatever. As long as it still did it, it's cool. Little baby flame. That's Lambo. Wow, it's kind of it is? Yeah. Like that's race car. You know, little baby flames. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. Going back hot Cheetos out the booty hole. You know
Wow.
when you like eat hot Cheetos, then you take a dookie and your booty be on fire? That's where I get that from. Bag of hot Cheetos out the booty hole playing.
Hey, what's this nigga talking about? Hey, this bitch loud. You had them niggas in the fucking store like, bro.
It's loud, huh?
Like, bro, shiver me timbers. It was loud. hey, shiver me timbers. I'll be loud that one. I'll be loud one day.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, you can't fucking talk. You can't do that. Yours is louder.
Huh?
How you gonna say, oh yeah, my ears are? You just get the same shit, but louder.
My ears itch. Not hurt. They
My
itch.
ears. I thought you said my ears hurt, not
Mine
itch.
is roof down.
Because he rich. He said he got money right there. He don't need, if he's sick next day, nah, I think it's sick day, more money. That's how rich people work.
Hey, run it with him.
I know that bitch fast as hell. That's the one that's pushing well. So, right?
I believe so. A whole bunch of
That's too much.
a whole bunch of fuckery going on right now. All these bikes and shit. All these fast cars and shit.
I'll race any of them.
Wow. You don't like that. I was gonna make a video before I'm gonna make a video.
Make a video on my car?
Yeah. Hey, alright, this nigga here got one of the fucking coldest damn. Look at this shit. Dark ass shit.
Just got the windows tinted too.
Oh yeah. When we saw you come in, we was like, oh no, it ain't him. We was like, hey, we was like, who the fuck is this? Okay. Talk your shit.
First off, let it start. Not that loud, okay? Hold on.
She hit her car looking so close. It's already pumped, nigga.
I'm fucking up. Record that big motherfucker right
Oh shit.
That bitch bigger than my head. I got a big ass head, okay?
Damn. That nigga talking. Okay, that nigga talking. Okay, and oh shit, you got the ground, oh shit. Okay. Oh. Okay. He talking. You got the crowd lit. Oh, shit. Oh. All right, how you feel about that?
I feel great.
Okay. Hey, look, whole crowd, everybody hyped as fuck. Did some charity work, especially at Key. Okay, you see him. Look at this dark ass car. Now you need to make this shit bigger.
Okay, I understand.
Nope,
I understand. Look, this was a test dummy, okay? This is a test dummy. I'm getting a big ass reflector.
Okay, you need one. And like, look at like Gabby shit. Her shit big. Where the fuck did she go?
Oh, nigga.
Oh shit! I didn't even see her
Did
leave.
you not give her a hood?
Oh shit! She was sitting there for the longest, you know.
Right.
Like, oh, like, so you gotta look at Joe shit. Underdog company. You need some shit like this.
Listen. That's my entry, okay? Like I
The
just got it.
the entry.
The entry car. I'm about to do a fucking pulley swap on this
Holy.
next summer.
That nigga talk next summer.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the.
Bro, it's about to be winter. You gotta win a car.
What you mean? I got a daily. This not my daily. I draw this bitch for fun.
All right.
Remember, I'm 19.
You 19. That nigga talk. Oh, brother. I'm not loud enough for this. Solid car, solid. Josh is going. I already know what's going to happen from here. So. Going. Okay. Solid color Mustang. I don't really like Mustangs for real, but I'll actually get one. Just so I can have the trifecta just to see how hard it is. Hey bro, check on your people, bro. You go to the gas station, get $4, but check on your niggas, bro.